Hey guys, it's that Dividend Guy coming at you with another stock market news update. So I wanted to start a new series on the channel talking about dividend increases because I think it's really important. And the reason that I wanted to start that was because a lot of people have been asking me about stocks that they should be in and shouldn't be in, stocks that they were worried about dividend cuts and stuff like that. So if I cover dividend increases like I did with Lowe's, because it is a stock that I do own, I've done one on Microsoft, and I'm now doing one on Texas Instruments because they just did a massive increase. So this series should kind of give you a starting point for where you should do your research into the companies that have enough cash flow to increase their dividends. So let's jump right into it. Texas Instruments said Thursday it will raise its quarterly cash dividend by 13%. That's a significant increase, from 90 cents a share to $1.02 a share. The dividend will be payable November 16th to shareholders of record on October 30th. So if you want to get this dividend increase, you have to own the stock by October 30th, contingent upon a formal okay by the board of directors at its regular meeting in October. So Texas Instruments is raising its quarterly dividend by 13%. That's a lot. That's almost a 50% increase for the year. That is 50, that's insane. That's like a 52% increase for the year because the 13 times the 4. That's insane. So that is awesome. And I know there's an argument out there that dividends don't matter, but here's the thing. The people that owned this stock before had a 90-cent dividend, and before that was like an 82-cent dividend. So the people who have owned Texas Instruments for the past, like I think 12 or I think it's 17 years, 16 or 17 years now, have gotten dividend increases. So the thing is, even if it's a 2% increase, you can. My argument for dividends is unless you get a 2% increase every single year at your job, dividends actually outpace your income, which is crazy. So especially when you get into the double digits, like I just covered, Microsoft did a 10% increase. Texas Instruments just did a 13% increase. I got a 9% increase from Lowe's. So unless, and think about it, if you owned Lowe's, Microsoft, and Texas Instruments, you now have gotten a 31% increase to your passive income just this year. That's literally just Lowe's, Microsoft, and Texas Instruments all doing increases this year. So, guys, this is really important because this will give you a benchmark to start your research. I've heard so many people talking about how they got a dividend increase or dividend cut completely because they were in companies that didn't have the cash flow to cover it, because they were in malls or retail stores or REITs, and they got burned. They bought the company because they wanted the dividend. I want to make this series because I want you to have a benchmark to start your research and know that these are quality companies that have paid and increased dividends for consecutive years, and they have the cash flow to keep doing that. So congratulations to Texas Instruments shareholders. That's a crazy good increase, and you should be proud to own the company. I will be doing a lot more videos on dividend increases as well. Like I said, I've done Lowe's because it's a personal holding of mine. I've done Microsoft, and now I did cover Texas Instruments as well. So congratulations to shareholders. And guys, use this as a benchmark for your own research. And what needs to happen for a lot of investors out there, myself included, rebalance your portfolio. Take a look at the stocks that you're owning. If you feel like there's going to be a dividend cut, or they don't have the cash flow, or they took on massive debt, as an investor, it's your job to make sure your portfolio stays healthy and your cash is still going to be growing for you in the future. So take a look at the stocks in your portfolio. Take a look at the stocks in your watch list. And if you're not getting a return like a 13% increase or a 10% or a 9% increase year over year, you might want to rethink about holding that stock. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next dividend increase video, I guess. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates. I do portfolio updates on a daily basis. I do Tesla videos, Warren Buffett videos, dividend increase videos. I do a lot of content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and again, congratulations to any Texas Instruments shareholders out there. I'm sure you're going to be sleeping a lot better now that you got a 13% increase. See you guys in the next dividend investing video. Take care.